such a special morning today. I just walked outside and I saw this horse. I don't know from where, and it looks so beautiful, so I'm gonna try to say hello. Yeah, look at that. So cute. I don't know where he's coming from. There are two of them and the donkey. Oh, look at them. Hi, beauties. Hi. Hi. They're so cute. Wow. I will leave them to eat. Don't really want to disturb, but wow, so beautiful. Oh. Look at this beautiful, beautiful work, guys. Wow. So amazing what people can do with their hands. Wow, so much food. This morning we are finishing up planting in the garden. And wow, it's so beautiful to be in this process of digging the ground, digging the roots, preparing the soil, and then planting the new seeds and just waiting for the new harvest and feeling how much it takes to actually grow the food so we can feel more appreciation for the food, because it's so beautiful and everyone can grow food. It's very easy and it's very nourishing, but we used to just go to the shops and spend money on processed food. And yeah, so if you plant something, you can even plant in your balcony or even next to your window and just have a little homegrown food. Can change so much in the way you think, in the way you feel. So yeah, guys, just encouraging you to put your hands in the soil and feel the earth and connect with it. So yeah, it gives so much grounding and love and safeness. So just encouragement for you to try it out if you never did and see how does it feel to you. Look at these all beautiful babies. Oh wow. Only good energy for you.
Yeah, there's more here.
Adventure time!
Oh man, even more.
Wow. Look at
And
that.
they're so cute.
Incredible, beautiful. Wow.
Wow, look at these rocks.
So crazy. Wow. Let's go. Crazy jungle. Trying to find a path to go back. Wow. We have to go in through
Are
that
you ready?
cave. Go, Levi. Oh my gosh. That's crazy.
Oh, this is magical.
Wow. Yay! Now my turn. That's how it looks from the other side. Look at this, guys. Wow. Crazy rocks, wow.
Yeah, yesterday we came, like where it says the water can go up the river. Yeah. Yeah. To see that there is a flag there. It's not super beautiful.
We just came back from a little hike and look at this view at the sunset, so magical. We are cleaning the stream to get water down from the mountains, and yeah, that's how people live still. And it takes a lot of effort to have water that we don't think about it too, because we just used to have infinite sources of water and we think it's never gonna finish, but unfortunately it's gonna end one day. And yeah, so thinking how much you consume is really important, and yeah, be generous and be appreciate what you have, because cleaning this for 2 hours and seeing very small stream, it really makes you think how we are growing in the cities and what kind of mindset we have about electricity and water and all other sources. So I just wanted to share that with you guys and wanted to show the water is running and looks really nice, and wow, so refreshing. Comes from there and all the way up from the mountain, fresh source of water, and going all the way down that you cannot see. Yeah, it's crazy. And the guys are still working up. We are volunteering in really simple places in the small villages where people live very natural, and learning these skills how to get your water from the stream and cut your wood and prepare yourself for the winter, and all those little tiny things that we don't think in the city because we have this comfort. It can be so beneficial to go and volunteer and explore and have this very close nature living, which is so amazing. Yeah, so if you're wondering to try volunteering or any kind of work in exchange, I would really recommend to go in more natural places away from the city, so you can really feel this free, abundant life. And it can be yours, it can be mine, it can be anyone, and it's really beautiful. I really wanted to share as much as I can with you and with others. I'm just inspired, to enjoy this present moment and connect with the nature, connect with yourself, connect with the community you live with. It's really important, those qualities, and we really forget about that when we live in the society that is so busy all the time and don't have time to talk, don't have time to do this and that. And I've been there by myself, and now I can talk from my own experience it is really nice to get that understanding that something is wrong actually, you know, that we're not supposed to live that way. We're not supposed to pay this extreme money for water and electricity and everything. We can get everything for natural sources, but of course we have to pay a price by working hard and appreciating what we have. So that's a little message that I wanted to share it with you at this present moment. The sun is shining, just wanted to show you. So beautiful. I love you guys. Love this. Wow, look at this view. Oh my goodness. Ewan shake the tree and got a lot of tasty berries. Look at them. Wow.
So many. Oh, look at that.
They're called madrones, if I
Madrones.
am correct. And they're super sweet and tasty. Yummy. Do you like it?
Yeah, it's very tasty.
You can take more.
Thank you. Here's a
Oh,
squish.
for you. Oy. And eating with this view. It's amazing. After a long and hot day, we are going to refresh ourselves into the river. We have such a beautiful river here and a couple of waterfalls, and wow, it's so amazing. I love this place. So magical. Even here, look at that. We are doing the morning hike to the very, very magical place. It's so beautiful up there. So we're trying to get there and see how the sun is rising. Maybe it's already up, but it's still gonna be really, really beautiful. How are you, Ewan?
Amazing.
Amazing.
We also have a little friend with us today.
Yeah. Look at her. Kitty.
So cute.
She's just following us up to the mountain. So cute. Let's go.